When digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others came out, it was clear to researchers that blockchain was here to stay. Using their trust and math skills, cryptographers and researchers stayed at work longer than needed to make a new digital currency that could hold value at a great future price, allowing people to take out loans, make payments, and do all of this in local currencies. Before making a prediction about the price of Nexo, we should look at what the coin is. Nexo is a blockchain-based learning platform that gives digital currency-backed loans to clients. These loans don't require a FICO score, which makes it an attractive choice for clients. On the Nexo platform, users store supported crypto resources to get a quick loan in 45 or more government-issued currencies. After saving, a credit line opens up, and no credit check is needed. Users can spend from their credit line when they want to. Nexo as a whole is based on two standards. The first is the variety of trades, and the second is working with a smoothing Nexo, a company with many different uses. Looks like it will completely change the way payments are made around the world. It's also a good investment choice. One of the most interesting parts of any EXO has been the use of free virtual cards that also allow any kind of money to be changed at any time. Like other digital currencies, Nexo is subject to a specialized review. Nexo is also mostly dependent on price growth and demand and supply, and it is very weak even though it is based on blockchain calculations. Based on verifiable information soon after any EXO came on the market in 2018, experts have different ideas about the responsibilities any EXO has in the years to come. In April and May, the price of Nexo went up from 55 cents to 98 cents. This was the flood that people will remember most. A big jump that showed a lot of early investor interest. After that, the price of any XO went up above 73 cents, but then it got a little bit better and went back to testing the 50-cent mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verified information showed that when any remaining financial standards showed a bleak presentation, the Nexo cost showed solidity, gaining financial backer certainty in showing an extraordinary flood in force with no Nexo cost drop knowledge starting from the beginning of 2021. Still, the price of Nexo changed all the time in 2022, and by the end of the year it was around 62 cents. Trades give Nexo a stability edge that affects its value compared to traditional forms of money. How much Nexo costs every month weights about 75 cents, has a 24-hour value change of plus 0.23%, a 24-hour volume of $6,611,251, and a market capitalization of $425,261,495. There are currently 560,011,011 Nexo tokens in circulation, according to speculation. The price of one XO is expected to reach $1.50 before the end of the year. The highest level of Nexo is expected to be 1.68. Investors and people who hold crypto resources should know how much Nexo will cost in 2023. An EXO price prediction sounds very bullish for the future because the price has been consistent. By the end of 2023, the Nexo price could easily swing between $1.08 and $3.05, depending on trade options. Even though any EXO price predictions for the years 2023 to 2030 are neutral as far as growth goes, the long-term view for any EXO looks good so far, and experts say there is a lot coming up for investors. Any prices for EXO could go up, crossing $1.50 by the end of 2023 and continuing to rise for the rest of the year, with the help of financial backers and hopeful numbers. Nexo Value Expectation 2023. Based on the study of more short-term and long-term Nexo price patterns, 2023 may not be the best year for any EXO to speed up, especially if competitors are getting stronger or markets are playing find the stowaway. There is a good chance that the Nexo will fall to 70 cents, and the highest price could be around $1.70. Any XO value expectation 2024 says that there isn't a it is by and by expected that any XO will control the crypto realm, wiping out BTC predominance with a presentation of cost fixed at $2.01 any EXO can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances, for the most part in view of serious areas of strength. For any XO value expectation 2025, the current year's expectations could check the benchmark year, as the cost of any XO is anticipated to outperform $2.50 definitely, basically in light of the fact that this year no pivotal variables like the pandemic or downturns are expected to shake the underlying foundations of world economies, and it is normal that the majority of the harm done would be headed for fixed work in every single world economy. And the XO value expectation 2026, as per our Nexo cost estimate in view of specialized examination and past information, this cryptographic money could leap to about 3.59 by December 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around $2.95 and $3.27 individually. Any XO value expectation 2027 keeping up, coupled with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that the Nexo cost is ready for a rise even in 2027. The price of any XO will also move in a similar bullish trend, with the lines touching at $4.45 mark based on cost expectation. Any XO value expectation 2028 considering our Nexo estimate, technical analysis and market updates, with many ventures reaching completion before the year's end, the overall most expensive price of 5.75 cents can't be ruled out for any XO, which makes it a good investment in the digital money market compared to government-issued money. Any XO value expectation 2029 considering our Nexo estimate, the token is expected to trade for $1. Master investors in digital coins usually plan for the long term instead of short-term price changes. They have to be patient to keep their hopes high over the long term. Financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2030, as the reception of Nexo will fill dramatically as far as cost and market cap by when any XO will not anymore a gullible contestant in the realm of cryptographic forms of money. However, a carefully prepared player, it is normal to exchange at a limit of $10.01 in 2030 in view of our any XO forecast. Those Nexo have a future. Nexo is a digital money that has a brilliant and splendid future riding the crypto wave. It will manage the computerized realm, thus for the purpose of installment it would have a long rule. Indeed, even online entertainment stages like Twitter and Facebook affirm Nexo's strength over BTC's predominance is putting resources into Nexo a smart thought indeed. As per our Nexo cost figure, putting resources into it will be really smart at the ongoing cost level. Nonetheless, a reasonable level of effort is consistently fitting. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any over upbeat clarifications required on the off chance that you contribute insightfully and